Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a balancing scale. So what do we need? We need 2 containers. I cut it a yogurt box. You can use 2 bottles and then cut them, and then it'll be like this. Then we need a rope that is like this long, and we need scissors. Ask your parents to help you. We need a hanger. Let's start making. You take the 2 the containers. Then you can paint it, or you can keep color paper on it. Now we have to keep the hole on the container, one on this side and one on the other side. And also on the same thing, one on this side and one on the other side. You have to ask your parents to help you make the hole. Can you see the hole? Now take the rope and cut it into the same size, like this. Insert it into the hole and keep a knot. And put the knot here. Like this. Can you see it? That is hanging. It's like a handbag. Whee! Oh, now do the same thing on the other container. Now do the knot. Like this. It looks like I'm the measuring holder. Now it's ready. Now let's hang it in the hanger. One, 2. Wee, woo, wee, woo. I'm going to test them with the markers. If I keep the more markers here and less there, this will go down and this will go up. If I keep more markers there and less here, this will go up and that will go down. If you put the same weight on both containers, stay the same height. It will not go up or down. It will balance. Let's test it. I'm going to keep 3 markers here. 1, 2, 3. And it's kind of going down because there's nothing in the other one. If I keep more than 3, it will go down. I keep 3 markers here and 6 markers here because I kept 3 more in the 3, and then it turned 6. And look how it happened. This one goes down and that one goes up. So it has lots of marker inside, so it gets heavy and goes down. And this one has little bit markers, so its weight is light. And look, the hanger is kind of going down too. I'm going to take away 3 out and see what happens. 2, 3. Can you see it's balancing? They're the same length. What if I keep 2 here and 1 there? Can you tell me which one is more and which one is high? I'm going to count them. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 markers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 markers. 4 is less than 5. 5 is greater than 4. If I keep 1 more marker here, it will be the same weight. Friends, you also do this simple balancing scale at your home. You can check your toys or anything, the weight, whether is it very heavy or light. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like the button. Bye!